Hello friends, welcome you all in my YouTube channel Roy's Quest. So today I am going to show you how we can clean the inlet filter of washing machine, and it is the most essential and simple part of preventive maintenance that you can do at home. So first of all we need to know why we need to clean that, as because the supply water comes with lot of dust. So usually what happens after some usage, the filter gets choked, and what happened after that filter gets choked, your machine will show you an alarm and it won't run. Especially in case of fully automatic machines, it won't run. So we need to do a regular interval maintenance depending on your usage and the water quality. So it's variable, maybe some 15 days or 1 month or 1 week you can do it. It's very easy and simple that you can do at home. So don't waste the time and let's check what we can do in the inlet filter cleaning. Come with me. So first of all, this is this blue connection. This is the water inlet, okay, and it comes from a tap connection. So what we need to do, that first of all we have to close the tap connection, okay, so that water won't come out. Then what we have to do, that is pull that pipe and it will come like this. It's like a quick release connector. So we need to drain the water inside in a bucket. Then after that, here you can see in the back side one blue knob. So we need to remove that one like this, anti-clockwise. It will come like this, okay. Be careful, there is a rubber washer inside. Let me show you. See, black one, this one, this is a rubber washer. So while you are opening this one, be careful about this. Let's take that pipe out, and here you can see the filter. Let me show you first. See, this is the filter, okay. So what you need to do, you just pull it out like this, okay, like this, and see how much dirt is trapped here. See how much dust is trapped here, okay. This is a cleaner side, this is inner part, this is the outer part, okay. Let me focus. So what we need to do, we need to clean it. In a clean water. Clean it very cleanly. So after cleaning, you can see like this. See, after cleaning, this one looks like this. Okay, so you can fix it like this and just insert it. Okay, it's very easy. See, now connect this blue knob here in clockwise direction. Tight it properly. Okay, then this connector, you can just press it like this and just do like this and it will hold. Okay, and after that you have to open the tap. That's all. Thanks for watching. I think this will help you.